Great morning students. Dear students, in my previous video I explained you about the fraction, that what is fraction and how many types of fractions. Now in this video I explain you that how we apply these fractions. So first of all we have to given the proper fraction. Before starting the proper fraction, I explain you that what is a fraction. So fraction is a part of whole. Whole means you have to given a complete thing, and when you divide this thing into equal parts, then each part is called the fraction of the whole part. Clear this one? Now there are these proper fraction is the type of a fraction, and in this proper fraction numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Condition ये है. According to this condition we have to write so many examples of a proper fraction. Because numerator is less than denominator, so we write 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 9 by 11, 7 by 9, etc. Here you give any example, but you have to follow the condition, that is numerator is always less than the denominator, and in all these cases you see that the numerator is less than the denominator. Clear this one? Now our second type of fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Now here you see that this name is improper. It means that there is a only minor difference, and the difference is of the two words I am. It means that this fraction is the opposite of the first one. First one, numerator is less than denominator, and this one you have to write numerator is greater than denominator. Because numerator is greater than denominator, so by following this condition we write so many examples of improper fractions. So we write numerator is greater and equal. This condition is also numerator is greater or equal to. Greater भी हो सकता है and it may be equal. So first we write the example of equal. 7 by 7, 5 by 5. Now in these two fractions numerator and denominators both are equal, but when we write numerator is greater than denominator, then we write 7 by 3. Here 7 is greater than 3. Again we write 9 by 5, 11 by 7, 13 by 4. There are so many examples of improper fraction. Clear this one? Now I explain you the next type of fraction, that is mixed fraction. Now my third type of fraction is mixed fraction. As well as according to its name, it is a mixture है. It is a mixture of two type of things. First is whole number, and second thing is the fractional part. So it is the combination of whole number and fractional number. Now we take the example, that is 4 combined by 3 by 7. Now in this fraction this 4 is the whole part. Whole means complete. This 4 is the complete whole number, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, these are the whole numbers, and this 3 by 7, this is the fractional part. And which type of fractional part and which type of fraction is this? Numerator is smaller than denominator, so it is an proper fraction. So this fraction is the combination of a whole part and a fractional part. Clear? Now we learn that how to convert a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Now we have to given a fraction 4 combined 3 by 5. It is a mixed fraction, and we have to convert this fraction into a improper fraction. And how do we have to do it? First part, we have to multiply 4 by 5. Now in second part, we have to add this number in the upper part. Then how we have to write it? As we know that in the denominator part, we have the number 5. So first of all, we draw a line and write here 5. Now we start to multiply 4 by 5. We multiply this number by this number, and after doing the multiplication, we have to add 3 in the number. Now by doing this, we get 5 4 ja 20 plus 3 by 5. After adding this, we get 23 by 5. This is your answer. Now here you see that 23 is greater than 5. It means that it is a improper fraction, because in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Clear this one? Now my next question, you learn how to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Now we have to given a fraction 29 by 4. It is an improper fraction. Now we learn how to convert it into a mixed fraction. So we divide 29 by 4. 4 7 ja 28. Now our remainder is 1. Now the turn is that how to write this fraction as into a mixed fraction. So first of all, here we see that in the denominator part we have the number 4. So we draw a line and write here 4. And in this part we see that our 4 is here. So firstly we write this number. After that we have to write this number 1 at the upper part of the 4. We write it here. Then after this we have to write this 7. And where we have to write this 7? We have to see the position of this line. And between this line, before it, we have to write here 7. So we read it as a 7 combined 1 by 4. Clear this one? Now this improper fraction is changed into a mixed fraction. Clear this one? Now I hope you understand this concept, that how to convert a improper fraction into mixed fraction and how to convert a mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Thank you and have a nice day.